Hi Georgetown! My name's Trinity and I'm a freshman in the MSB, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Christmas presents at the Maker Hub. So the Maker Hub is this really awesome space that allows students to be creative by providing resources and equipment and supplies for us to do so. So as a creative myself, I absolutely love making things, and I thought of no better way than to take a little break from studying than making some Christmas gifts for my friends and family. So I looked up a few ideas on Pinterest and I have a couple ideas for what I'm going to do. But yeah, let's get started. So first, I went to the Maker Hub and found an empty table to work on. I put down a Trader Joe's bag to make sure I didn't accidentally paint the table. I ordered a few wood slices from Amazon and hot glued string onto the back of them in the Maker Hub. The Maker Hub had green and red paint, but I also ordered paint in black and white and a variety pack of paint pens. First, I painted each wood slice with a base color. I painted some white, some black, some green, and some red, using paintbrushes from the Maker Hub. Once the paint dried, I practiced a Christmas design that I wanted to do on a sheet of paper before writing it on the piece of wood. I repeated this process for each ornament. I also made a few laser-cut wooden plaques with the help of the Maker Hub staff. Once I got back to my dorm, I got some Trader Joe's bags from when I went grocery shopping and used them as wrapping paper. We're all about sustainability here at Georgetown. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and happy holidays! Thanks for watching!